Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling channel points in Twitch's creator dashboard. This gives viewers a currency to spend. Next, create a custom reward called TTS, set price, cooldown, and clear instructions so users know expectations. Once done, authorize a bot or OAuth app, Streamlabs, Stream Elements, or a custom bot to read redemptions. This connects Twitch events to your local audio pipeline. Make sure the bot has permissions to read channel points and send chat messages so it can trigger TTS actions. Now map redemptions to actual speech. Install a TTS engine or choose a cloud TTS service and test voice quality. Pick a voice and appropriate speed so it's clear but not disruptive. Then route that audio into OBS or your streaming software using a virtual audio cable, audio mixer, or dedicated app input so the TTS is captured by the stream. Once configured, map the bot's reward webhook to call the TTS with the redemption text and parameters like volume and profanity filters to keep chat safe. Finish by testing. Do several controlled redemptions with moderators to confirm timing, voice, and moderation rules. Make sure you enforce max characters, cooldowns, and a profanity filter to prevent abuse. Adjust volume mixing so TTS doesn't drown game audio. If something goes wrong, first check the bot's OAuth permissions and that webhook events reach your TTS service. Then verify audio routing in your OS and OBS and any firewall blocks. If latency persists, lower TTS queuing or switch to a faster voice endpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.